Hello, fellow auto enthusiasts. Today, we introduce you to vehicles that defy the ordinary, push the envelope, and challenge the notion of less is more. From unparalleled luxury to groundbreaking technology, these machines make us dream bigger and drive faster. If you are someone who embraces the extraordinary, then you are in for a treat. Today, we list the top 5 most over-engineered cars of all time. Number 1. Mercedes 600 Grosser. Imagine a roadworthy version of the Titanic. Vast in size, unparalleled in luxury, and priced to match its grandeur. When it debuted, the Grosser was the priciest car on the market, outpacing even the elite Rolls-Royce or the sporty Ferrari. It became the vehicle of choice for the world's most powerful figures, with a clientele list boasting names like Pol Pot, Kim Jong-un II, Saddam Hussein, Leonid Brezhnev, Chairman Mao, and Nikolai Ceausescu spotting a trend. The Grosser, aptly translates to big, was the go-to for those who wielded immense power in their era. This Mercedes masterpiece was birthed from a vision to craft the world's finest automobile with no expense spared. The outcome? A car that, even by today's standards, is technologically advanced. Its innovations from 1963 still outshine many features in contemporary Mercedes models. The 600 boasted a hydraulic system powered by the engine, which operated everything from the windows to the sunroof, boot lid, and adjustable seats. And speaking of windows, they were so swift in their operation that they posed a genuine safety hazard. Every detail of this car was meticulously crafted, from its self-leveling air suspension, adjustable with a button press, to the luxurious options of an in-car fridge, phone, or TV. The Grosser wasn't just built to high standards, it was made to the highest standards, perhaps to meet the exacting demands of its esteemed owners. Number 2. Mitsubishi GTO 3000 GT. In the vibrant 90s, while Japan introduced the world to the multifunctional Casio, the era's first smartwatch, it was also rolling out its version of a smart car, the Mitsubishi GTO. Upon its debut, the Mitsubishi Marvel was arguably the most technologically advanced vehicle the world had witnessed. It was a symphony of electronic components, from its active aero-spoiler 4-wheel steering to its 6-speed Getrag manual transmission and an all-wheel drive system. Not to be outdone, the Spider variants showcased a pioneering folding metal roof. With a button's push, this car could practically greet passerby with its active aero. And if that wasn't enough, it boasted a convertible version equipped with a motorized folding hardtop, only the second car in history to possess such a feature. The rear axle steering was another feather in its cap, enhancing its agility, a trait that even some of today's sports cars lack. Yet, despite its groundbreaking features, the GTO didn't quite capture the market's heart. Its hefty price tag didn't help its cost. However, every rose has its thorn. The GTO's impressive tech suite added significant weight. Despite its powerful twin-turbo V6 and 4-wheel drive, it struggled with lighter competitors. But weighing its pros and cons, the Mitsubishi GTO remains an iconic testament to automotive innovation. Number 3. Volkswagen XL1. At first glance, the VW XL1 might not strike you as a production car, but it is, albeit a limited one. With only 250 units ever produced, it's a rarer sight than many hypercars, yet it remains an unsung hero in automotive circles. Traversing 100 kilometers on a liter of fuel, translating to an astonishing 260 miles per gallon. Such figures are nothing short of revolutionary. The secret to its efficiency? A relentless pursuit of aerodynamic perfection. Every curve, indentation, the wheel covers, the inclusion of rear-view cameras over traditional mirrors, its slender body and tires, even the concealed wipers, all meticulously designed to minimize air resistance. The result? An unparalleled drag coefficient of 0.189, a benchmark that remains unbeaten. But the XL1 isn't just about fuel efficiency. Its construction mirrors that only 23% of its composition is steel. Its stature is even lower than the iconic Lamborghini Gallardo. Add a 7-speed dual-clutch, butterfly doors, and a price tag that rivals supercars. But here's the twist. Owning one wasn't just about having deep pockets. Prospective buyers entered a lottery system, not to win money, but for the privilege of spending it on this masterpiece. Number 4. Bugatti Veyron. The Veyron is not just a car, it's a marvel of engineering, a testament to what's possible when boundaries are pushed. Here's a glimpse into the lesser-known facets of this automotive legend. While it took a staggering $5 million to craft this masterpiece, Bugatti priced it at $1 million. The Veyron's construction borrowed heavily from aviation technology because no road vehicle had ever grappled with the forces this beast was designed to handle. 1,000 horsepower? 250 miles per hour? These figures were so audacious at their unveiling that many in the automotive world scoffed. dismissing them as just hyperbole. The idea of a supercar of supercars with such power was enticing, but the practicality of its realization seemed far-fetched. Yet, what's often overlooked is the Veyron's uncanny ability to feel ordinary. Sure, garage enthusiasts have previously built faster, more powerful machines, but none match the Veyron's reliability and ease of use. Imagine cruising at such breakneck speeds, without the cacophony of noise, without the sensation of being on the brink of disintegration. And once you've had your fill of chasing the horizon, the Veyron morphs seamlessly into a tranquil, plush drive. Whether in the icy terrains of the Arctic or the scorching sands of the Sahara, and then, on a whim, transition into a serene, luxurious ride. Number 5. LS400. The 1980s were a time of iconic moments. Michael Jackson dazzled the world with the moonwalk. Yours truly, Stipe, made his grand entrance. And Toyota threw down the gauntlet against German luxury by introducing the Lexus LS400. In a peculiar twist of the era, importing economy cars to the USA was costly for Japanese manufacturers. Yet, luxury cars found a more economical entryway. This car paved the way for a surge of Japanese luxury brands in the late 1980s and early 1990s. Toyota's ambitious project, which spanned nearly a decade, 4,000 dedicated individuals, a whopping $1 billion budget, 450 test prototypes, and a collective test drive distance of over 2.7 million miles. The result? A car that boasted a brand new V8 and a plethora of luxury features. The LS400 was engineered to cruise at 155 miles per hour, all while consuming fuel efficiency and humming as quietly as a household refrigerator. The LS400 was not just another car. It was a unique masterpiece. No part of it was borrowed. Every piece was bespoke. And the automotive world took notice. Shortly after its debut, the LS400 didn't just compete with the Germans, it outsold them, clinching the title of the best-selling luxury car in the US. That's all for today's video. Which of these cars intrigued you the most? Let us know in the comments below. To get more from the world of auto tech, make sure to subscribe to our channel.